Hello. I'm sorry about the connection is very slow. Okay. So we only have how many? We only have 7 minutes left. Now I don't know what to do, but it's okay. Are you? Hello again, Shane, Pat, Kaphao, Nicha, and Tan. Hello. Good morning.
I said good morning. Good morning.
We are so late, but let us continue, okay? Hello. Hi, Kemsai. Good morning. Good morning. We are so late, so let us continue. Okay. The internet is really not. My internet here is. Okay, I will just make this. Let us try to cut the time. Good morning, Kemsai. Good morning, Ketu. Okay, let us play this one a little bit. Okay, well of English clothes. Okay. Okay, this one. I think we can continue. Okay, Boo, we have this one. Okay, this one is winter clothes. If we will spin this one, okay, spin this one, we can. Okay, look at this one. We will spin this one. We will guess what kind of clothes is we can see in here. You see the arrow? Okay, you see this one? What is this? Is this a boat? Yes, this is a boat. Very good. Okay. You have to answer the question here. Okay. We have this one. Okay, we will spin again. Spin again. And look at the arrow here. Okay, what is this? What is this? Is this a boat, coat, gloves, jumper, scarf, socks, or hat?
Hat.
This one is hat. Yes, very good. Okay, this one is hat. Now let's go spin again. Okay, this one is hat. Okay, now let's go to the next. Okay. Let us continue. Let us go now to the summer clothes. Okay. Okay, let us go now to the summer clothes. Okay, let us spin here. Let us play this one. You have to answer here, okay? Look at this one. Let us spin this one. And swimsuit. Look at this. What is this? This one. Is this a? This is a swimsuit. Now let's go to this one. Let's go to this one, okay? Let's go back because we did not. We are rushing the time. Okay, let's go. Let's do this again. Okay, this one, winter clothes. Let us talk about the winter clothes, okay? And let us spin this one. Okay, this one. Have you sent the arrow? What is this? Can you tell me what is this? We have the answer here. You have many choices here. If this one is a boots, coat, gloves, jumper, or scarf, socks, hat. The answer here is? What is this one? This one. This one is a?
Scarf.
Scarf. This one is a scarf. Okay. This one is a scarf. Okay. This is supposed to be a very exciting game. Now let's go to this one. Let us spin again. Okay. Let us spin again. Look at the arrow. Okay. Where is the arrow now? The arrow point in this one. What is this one? What is this? What kind of dress this one? What kind of winter clothes this one? Is it a boots, coat, gloves, jumper, scarf, socks, or hat? This one is coat. Yes, very good. This one is coat. Okay, look at this one again. Let's go. Let us spin again. Okay, what is this? This one. Socks. I hear, are you playing socks game, right? This one is a sock. Yes, very good. This one is a socks. Okay, how about this one? Okay, what is this? This one. This one. Can you answer? Is this a boot, coat, jumper, gloves, jumper, scarf, socks, or hat? What is this? Jumper. Okay, very good. Very good. Now let's go to the next. Let's go to the next. Okay. Let's spin again. Okay. Look at here. Look at the arrow here. Okay. Look at the arrow. Okay. Look at this one. What is this? Gloves, right? This one is a glove. Yes. This is not a coat.
No.
This is not a coat. Now, this is not coats. This is a
gloves.
glove. This one is a glove. Okay. Now let's go to the next. Okay, let us spin again. Okay, how about this one? What is this? What kind of winter coat is this? Boots. Okay, the answer here is boots.
No.
No, this one is no jumper, no scarf,
No. No.
The answer here is no, we cannot raise the boat. Yeah, the boat, it's answer already here. Okay, we already have a smiley face here. The answer here is a boat. Now let's go to this one. Okay, this one. What is this? This one is a hat. Okay, where is the hat here? Where is the hat here? Have you seen the hat here? This one is boots, coat. I want to see you all of you. Oh, hair is already here. 10, cup house, cat eye. Okay. The answer here is hat. Okay, we already have a smiley face here, right? So the answer here is hat. Now let's go to the next. Okay, well done. Congratulations. Okay, so you are doing a great job. Now let's go to this one. Let's go to summer clothes. Okay, let us check the summer clothes. Let us spin this one and cap. Sorry. This one, it says, I know. Okay, let's go first. Okay, cap. Where is the cap in here? Is this the cap? Cap. Is this cap? Where's the cap here? Have you sent a picture? Where? Is this the one?
No.
No. Is this the one?
No.
No. This one is the
cap.
Yes, this one is the cap. Okay, let's go continue. Let us continue. Look at here. You have to guess. Okay, dress. Okay, can you see the dress here? Is this the dress?
No.
No, where is the dress? Is this the one?
No.
No, this is the
dress.
Yes, this one is the dress. Okay, very good.
Excellent.
Yes, let's go to this one. Now let's go spin again. Okay. Okay, what is this? Flip-flops. Where's the flip-flops here? Okay.
No.
The flip-flop is
No.
Okay? This one?
Flip-flops.
No, this one is the flip-flops. Now let's go next. Okay, let's spin again. I will send you the, okay, this one, sandal. Where is the sandal here? Have you seen the sandal? Is this the one?
No.
No. This
Sandals.
one is? Yes, this one is the sandal. Okay. Okay, let us try to finish this one. Okay, now let's go to this one. Swimsuit. Where is the swimsuit here? Is this the one?
No.
The one?
No.
Okay, the
Swimsuit.
here is this one, okay? Okay, now let's continue and spin again. Look at here. I'm sorry we are a little bit fast because we don't have too much time, okay? T-shirt. Where is the T-shirt here?
No.
Okay, the T-shirt.
T-shirt.
One. Okay, this is the T-shirt. T-shirt. Yes, let us spin again. And let us continue the game. Okay, look at this one. Short. Where's the short here? Is this one? Is this short? Huh? Kemsai. No, Necha. This is the short?
Shorts.
Yes, this one is the short. This one. Okay, shorts. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, so well done. You are doing a very good job. Okay, so you answer everything. And we are, I prepare a worksheet for this one, and I will send it to your line. You have to answer it, okay? Okay, K2, I have a worksheet this one. I have a worksheet for this topic. And you have to answer it. Okay, K2? I will send the worksheet for this topic in your line. And you just have to print it if you can print it. If not, you can just draw, okay? You can draw because if you can go out to print it, you can print it, okay? You print it. I prepare worksheet for this topic, okay, K2? You have to answer it, okay? Okay, if you cannot print it, you can just draw it, okay? Prepare you draw it in your notebook, the worksheet that I will send in your line, okay? So thank you so much, K2, and see you again tomorrow, okay, K2? Thank you so much. So thank you so much, Nicha, Pat, Kemsai, thank you for attending our Zoom class, Kapau, Shane, and Ken, okay? You have to take care always, okay? So bye-bye for now, K2. Our time is already up. Bye. I love you, K2. I love you. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
See you again on Thursday. See you on Thursday, okay? Bye. Okay, Shane. Pat. Okay, bye-bye. Nicha, Tan, Pat, Taphao, Kemsai, and Shane. Bye.